Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the ROMITAZ iPhone Charger Kit, an MFi Certified 3-pack that promises not only fast charging but also safety features that caught my attention. First off, the USB wall charger is equipped with a smart chip that identifies full charging to ensure safe usage. It provides protection against overcharging, overcurrents, and overheating. The small connector head fits most cases, offering convenience without compromising on safety. The MFi certification ensures compatibility with various iOS versions, making it reliable across a range of Apple devices, from the iPhone 14 series to the iPad. The pull-resistant design, coupled with fast charging and transmission speed, adds to the convenience. This 3-pack includes 6 feet cables, which, by the way, are built to last. The cables are tested to withstand over 5,000 bends, showcasing impressive resistance to splitting and breakage. The automatic protection circuit further enhances the durability, safeguarding against short-circuiting, overheating, overcurrent, and overcharging. Whether you're at home or in the office, the compact and easily portable USB power adapter makes charging on the go a breeze. The robust design and intelligent circuitry make this kit a reliable choice for iPhone and iPad users. In conclusion, the ROMITAZ iPhone Charger Kit impresses with its fast charging capabilities, MFi certification, and robust design. If you're on the lookout for a reliable and safe charging solution, this kit might just be your ideal pick. And that's a wrap for this review. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. Until next time, check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.